Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use on the left of your screen. In my case, Chrome. Now you need to access it in the background. In order to do that with Turkish navigation, click on this square button. Finally, click on two rectangles next to the padlock at the top right corner of your app. And select any other one by clicking on it on the right. Like for example, Play Store. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!